Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
It's an action-packed day in the calendar today, so let's dive straight into it. First up, we have the highly anticipated release of the US CPI data at 2:30 South African Standard Time. Analysts are expecting a 0.2% rise in headline inflation and a 0.4% increase on core inflation for March. March annualized CPI reading is expected to come in at 5.2%, which is lower than the previous 6%. Market participants will also be keeping a close eye on the federal budget balance and the minutes of the latest FMOC meeting. Additionally, the Bank of Canada will be releasing its interest rate decision at 4 o'clock South African Standard Time. So lots to look out for today. But that's not all. If you want to win a limited edition branded mug, be sure to like this video and answer the following question in the comment section. What is the nickname for the New Zealand dollar? Is it A, my precious, B, the hobbit, or C, the kiwi? Remember to subscribe to our channel as the giveaway will take place once we reach 300 subscribers. T's and C's apply.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
Let's take a look at currency news. The dollar fell yesterday as traders are waiting for further signs on whether price pressure is easing and what that means for future Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. The Fed is expected to hike rates by 25 basis points at their May 2nd and 3rd meeting, before pausing in June. Markets are also pricing for the Fed to cut rates by year end, though Fed officials have emphasized the need to keep rates high to bring down inflation. Moving on to our analysis on USD ZAR, this currency pair is currently just above the diagonal support level. If we get a close above 18 Rand 40 cents, we could see a rally all the way back up to 18.6. However, if we break below the support level and get a close below 18.28, we could see a sell-off down to 18.10. Now let's shift our focus to Wall Street. US stock futures had a mixed session, with the tech index slipping while energy and financial companies lifted ahead of a closely watched inflation data due later in today's session. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.3%, the S&P 500 finished flat, and the Nasdaq slipped 0.4%. Taking a look at the S&P 500's analysis, the US 500 is still trading within that ascending channel. We're currently just below the primary resistance level at 4,100. If we break above and close around the 4,140 level, we could see a rally all the way back up to 4,200. However, if we break out of this channel and close below 4,070, we could see a sell-off down to that lower support level at 4,000. Let's move on to commodities. After trading water for 4 straight sessions, oil rallied for the first time since traders got excited over talk of new OPEC Plus production cuts. Crude prices gained almost 2% ahead of the release of weekly US inventory data, with WTI settling up 2.2% at $81.53 per barrel. The US Energy Information Administration issued a short-term energy outlook that was slightly positive for oil. Additionally, a moderate weakening in the dollar also helped oil. Looking at the analysis on crude oil for today, this commodity has finally broken out of that primary resistance zone. Should we get a close above $81.80 a barrel, we could see a rally all the way back up to $84 a barrel. And if that is broken, our next resistance is at $90 a barrel. Finally, let's take a look at gold. The precious metals price rose past key levels, boosted by safe haven buying after Minneapolis Federal Reserve President flagged a potential recession this year. Focus is also turning to more US economic cues due later today. Looking at the analysis for today, the yellow metal currently has a massive amount of bullish momentum. Should this momentum continue and we can get a close above 2025, we could see a rally all the way back up to 2050. However, should we close below 2015, we could see it come back down to retest those lower levels at 2005.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the Plessis be with you. Cheers.